Hello, what we're going to be covering in this video is how you can go ahead and use Python's TK inter module to create the following GUI. So what we're going to do in this GUI is we're going to go ahead and have two labels. The first one is Hello World, and the second one is this is my GUI program. So let's go ahead and look at the code. So what we're going to do, the first thing you need to do to use the TK inter module is to go ahead and import it. So we've imported it right there. What we've done next is we've gone ahead and created a my GUI class. And then after that, we're defining our init function for our my GUI class. So what we're going to do in the init is we're going to go ahead and create the main window widget on this line. So the name of the main window widget will be main underscore window. After that, we're going to create two label widgets. The first is label 1, and label 1 will be displayed within our main window that we've created up above, our main window widget, and what that's going to display is Hello World. The second label, label 2, will again be displayed in our main window. And what that will display is this is my GUI program. After that, we're going to call both widgets pack method, which packs the widget as described by the option. So we're going to basically pack those to the left. So what this will essentially do is display the first widget, label widget, and then right next to it, the second label widget. And then after that, we're going to enter the TK inter main loop. This function runs like an infinite loop until you close the main window. And then finally, what we need to do outside of our class is actually create an instance of our my GUI class. And once we create this instance, then our GUI will appear. So let me just go ahead and run this program. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run it from the command window. It's a lot better to run your GUI programs from the command window versus idle. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to go ahead and cd or change directory to the directory or folder where my Hello World Python program is stored in. And then after I've cd'd to that directory, I will call my executable, Python executable, to run the program. So this first path is where my python.exe file is found on my system. You may have a different path, so all you need to know is where you actually installed Python, and it should be in the first directory under your main Python install directory, which is Python 3.7. And then the final item that I specified is the program that I want to run when it executes. So I'll just go ahead and hit enter. So what it displays is Hello World. This is my GUI program on one line. If I wanted to actually go in and display both of those on the labels on separate lines, how I can do that is just not basically specify an option. So let me go ahead and save this, and let me go ahead and go back in and run it again. And what it does is if you do not specify an option, then it'll display one label after the other label. So that's all I wanted to cover in this video. So we will be talking to you later.